They say we're live and streaming on YouTube.
All right, thank you.
Normally I see it. Let me see. Meeting is now streaming live on YouTube. View stream on YouTube. There we go. They say we're live and streaming on YouTube. Okay, hold on a minute.
All right, thank you.
I need to mute it. There we go. Okay.
Our paralegal confirmed that we are live.
Okay. So that means Charity Borchering, none of your off-color jokes now. Okay. None of the off-color comments by me. So anyway, here we go. We are live and streaming on YouTube. So we got to be formal. Cause number 20-4671-211 in the interest of LJG and AMG. Since we are streaming on LiveTube, that means that it's not only family members, it can be creeps. So please only refer to the family and the children by their initials. If anyone is out there in land, I don't care if the family, frankly, you're not supposed to record, but family members feel free. But if you're a third party and you're just being nosy, you're not allowed to record. So I put that out there. And that's why we don't, to the extent we can, we get away from YouTube. With that warning, we are now ready to proceed. Counsel, identify herself for the record and her clients. And I know we have an attorney ad litem in this case also, so identify yourself and your clients. Proceed.
Thank you, Judge. Charity Borchering for the
Parents.
biological mother and potential adoptive step parent.
All right.
And Cynthia Palmer, representing the children as the amicus and ad litem.
Very well. And I take it these are the mom and the proposed dad?
Yes, sir.
And the two children we're talking about?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, all four of you raise your right hands. Right hands. All right. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. You may proceed.
Judge, as
By
if
the
you
way, I'm looking at this. There are 22 watching. I was just seeing if we are
Good.
being watched. Normally it'll show up on this screen that I'm looking at too, but they're all showing up here on the
And
left.
Judge, I can assure you that there are at least several of those are people from the right firm who are always very excited to participate in an adoption.
Yeah, as we all are. It's the only court proceeding where everyone typically leaves very happy,
yes.
including the judge. So let's go.
Thank you, Judge. As a few housekeeping matters, I'd ask the court to take judicial notice of the contents of the file.
I have in particular the report filed by the necessary law enforcement agency, the written report of the attorney ad litem, and the other matters on the file relating to earlier proceedings.
Thank you, sir. And additionally, Your Honor, we tendered as exhibits 1 and 2 to all parties and the court reporter those law enforcement checks, as well as the prior proceeding, which was the order of termination.
Yeah, I admit those.
Thank you, sir.
No objection to those exhibits, Your Honor.
Thank you. And at this time, I would call Raymond Matthew Augustine.
Okay, sir, you've already been sworn. Do you realize you're still under oath?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you. Mr. Augustine, you are presently married to the biological mother of the children, Darcy Elise Augustine. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And you understand by this proceeding, you are asking the court to legally and formally make the family that you've been doing for several years now.
Yes.
Okay, you understand that by doing this, you're going to have all the moral, legal, financial, and just general dealing responsibility with teenage girls and daughters in general.
I do. Yeah, I understand.
By the way, is there a fifth member of this family that should be involved in this?
Actually, there's 6 of us, but
Yeah, the other two are,
The grandparents are have the little they're the younger brothers at bay right now. Right
Okay.
now, they come and go.
All right, that's fine. I just wanted to make certain that someone wasn't missing out. So,
Yeah.
okay.
we can-
Thank you, Judge.
You don't want to call
you-
them? Okay, they're fine. Okay.
Proceed.
Thank
Sorry.
you. That's okay. And Mr. Augustine, this is something you are voluntarily requesting that you do, not because you believe it's just in the girls' best interest, you believe it's in your best interest as well.
Correct. Yes.
Over the years that you've been with the girls and their mom, you've formed a bonding and loving relationship with them.
Yes.
Do you view them any differently than you do your other children?
No.
They are your girls.
They are my girls. Yeah.
And you're asking the court to legally make you responsible for two girls that will grow up to be teenagers and young adult women. And you know all of those things that bring with that.
I'm with it. Yep, I sure am.
And with that, you're asking the court to change the names as set out in the decree. And with the fact that we're on YouTube, Judge, I'm not going to state those formal names and ask the court to permit that as such.
I am aware of the allegations in the petition and that, and as I advised at the outset, I didn't want the use of the name. So we
Thank
will
you, sir.
proceed.
And you had a full chance to review that document, that final order, and those names are spelled correctly and accurately to represent how you want their names documented and changed to.
You asking me that or you asking him?
No, I was asking, sorry, Judge.
I have
Mr.
no
Augustine,
idea.
Okay. Oh, sorry. I thought you were. Judge.
Mr. Augustine, you've had a chance to review that proposed final order and review the spelling that you want the girls' name changed to, correct?
Yes, I have.
And everything is in there accurately, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And you, along with your wife, are making this request.
Correct.
I'll pass the witness.
Ms. Palmer?
You understand that this is forever,
Forever.
and is that your intention?
Yes, that is my intention.
And that no matter what may happen between you and your wife, that these girls are yours forever.
Correct. I understand that.
And you believe that that's in their best interest.
I do believe that's in their best interest. Yes.
I pass the witness.
All right. Go ahead.
I'd call Miss Augustine.
Ma'am, you've been sworn, is that correct? Oops, we're muted or something. You have to speak loudly.
Yes.
Okay. And you realize you're still under oath?
Yes.
All right.
Could you state your full name, please?
Darcy Elise Augustine.
And you are the biological mother of the girls, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have consented as the current conservator of the children to this request of your husband.
Yes.
And you believe this is in your children's best interest.
Yes.
And is it accurate that this is the family that you guys have had for years and you just want the court to legally make it official?
Yes.
Any question that this is in your children's best interest or yours?
No.
Ask the witness.
Ms. Palmer?
Similar question. You understand that no matter what happens, this is forever.
Yes.
And that's your intention.
Yes.
I pass the witness.
All right.
Judge, I have no further witnesses.
All right. I do.
Well, like I was
wanna-
gonna let Ms.
I want to
Palmer
ask I want to ask about how old is the oldest daughter?
14.
All right. And how old is the youngest one?
10.
Okay. Now you understand this process that you depending how I rule today, you might get an official dad. He's actually, from what I can tell, he is your dad. But you understand that there's a upside and a downside to that. Not only does he love you, but he also now it's illegal for him to discipline you. Knowing that, do you still want him as your dad? I'm asking the oldest daughter and the youngest one. Is that a yes?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And now tell me what's the favorite thing. I'm asking the oldest daughter. I'm not using names because for other reasons. The oldest daughter, what's the thing you like to do best with the person who's acted as your dad these years?
I like to play basketball with him.
Is he any good?
No, just
Are,
kidding.
are you okay, are you good?
Good.
Yes. Okay. And how about you, young lady? What's the favorite thing you like to do with the guy who's been acting as a dad?
I like doing homework with him.
Oh, is he smart?
Well,
No. Yeah. Are you better at math or English than him?
I don't know. Probably not.
Okay.
We do our best, huh?
Very good. Very good. All right, sir. And this will be the third time we ask this question a million ways because people get it. I do it a little more in the vernacular. You know, these aren't fish. You don't get to throw them back.
Right.
These are, if I approve this, they're yours forever.
Yes, sir.
And I have a daughter, and dearest thing in my heart. So these two going to be the dearest things in your heart?
Yes, sir.
All right. I grant the adoption. I change the names and grant all other relief that's been asked for in the petition. Okay, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So, I don't know. Normally, like I said, I'm allowing the family members to have taken videos of this thing, so you got them all. Normally, we have a big ceremony.
Yeah.
Normally I give stuffed animals out, but
Oh,
Ms. Borserine, if you want, if next time you're up here, you can go reach into my basket and get each of these young ladies a stuffed animal. So they may be a little too old for that, but it's still a momentum to memorialize the day. You like stuffed animals?
they still have
Me
some,
too.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. Well, what's your favorite one?
Yours is a hippopotamus, huh?
I have a hippopotamus that I really love.
Okay. I don't know if we have any hippopotamuses, but we'll do our best to get one closest. How about you, young lady? What's your favorite?
Bear.
A bear. Well, that's my favorite. So we do have a few bears hanging around. We'll make certain you get a bear too. So Ms. Porcerine, put that on your to-do list.
Judge, I actually I think Ms. White and I have a plan for that. So we're good.
Okay, very good. All right. Well, you all have a great day, and this is a happy day, and you all have a great rest of your lives.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And
Thank you,
they-
Judge.
To use an old, you probably don't even, you may live long and prosper, okay? Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.